Have you ever launched a promotion that went so well and you forgot to end it? Yep, that's fun until you realize half of your orders are still using last month's discount. Hi, I'm Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and welcome back to Fix My Wholesale episode number 5. Today we're tackling one of the most painful problems in wholesale pricing and promotions that go off the rails. If you ever lost money because of a promotion that never ended or a price list that wasn't updated, stick around. This one is for you. If you're new here, welcome. I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and this channel is powered by Orders in Seconds. We have been helping wholesale distributors and consumer packaged goods for over 20 years, providing technology that makes order fulfillment and pricing simple and accurate. In Fix My Wholesale, we talk about real problems wholesalers face and real tools that fix them. Today, Bottleneck is all about pricing strategy gone wrong. Updated spreadsheet, one-off promotions, and the chaos that follows. First, Bottleneck, manual pricing updates. If you're still updating prices one by one for every short-term promotion, you know that pain. Someone forgets to end the promo prices, stay live, and suddenly you are selling below cost. And explaining that to accounting is way less fun than explaining it to a customer. The fix is automation. A solid wholesale pricing strategy includes tech that synchronizes your pricing across inventory, accounting, and order system. With tools like OIS Central or OIS Pro, you can set start and end dates for promotions that update automatically. No more sticky notes, calendars, reminders, or 2 a.m. spreadsheet edits. If you want to learn more, I'll drop a link in the description below. The second issue, promotion overload, percentage off, bogus. Here discount, buy X, gets Y free. The options are endless. Managing them manually, that's chaos. Fix. You need a system that supports flexible discount structures and applies them automatically. Your ERP or sales order app like OIS Pro should handle different price levels, customer tiers, and promotions rules so your reps can focus on selling no matter. By the way, I put together a free resource that dives deeper into this. It is called Avoid the Top 5 Mistakes Wholesale Distributors Make, and it even includes a free wholesale calculator to help you find where pricing errors or inefficiency might be costing you money. Grab your copy, links in the description below. Third bottleneck, no system synchronized. Your pricing lives in 3 different places: your ERP, your accounting software, and your order app, and none of them talk to each other. That's how you end up with the wrong price on invoices, confused customers, and one very tired bookkeeper. The fix is integration. Use a solution that synchronizes automatically with systems like QuickBooks Online or your favorite ERP software. This ensures your promotions, pricing, and orders are always in sync. No more copy-paste chaos. And here's something cool. Orders in Seconds, it's a QuickBooks solution provider, which means we can help you connect your wholesale system seamlessly and offer a special QuickBooks discount. If you want to learn more or grab the special pricing, check the link on the description below. So let me ask you, how do you handle pricing updates right now? Still using spreadsheets or have you automated your promotions? Drop your answers in the comments below. I would love to hear what's working or what's driving you crazy. All right, quick recap before we wrap up. First, stop relying on manual prices. Changes, automate them. Second, use software that handles multiple promo types. Third, synchronize pricing across your systems so everything matches. A smart wholesale pricing strategy isn't just about charging the right price. It's about consistency, efficiency, and protecting your margin. If this episode helped you, hit the subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we fix another wholesale problem that is slowing you down your business. And don't forget to grab your free ebook, links below. I am Frank, Wholesale Pro, and I'll see you in the next episode of Fix My Wholesale.